Okay, got a quick little project here that we're gonna do. It's on the honeydew list. Um, so really not much of a repair, but figured a good chance to get down into the workshop on a Saturday morning while it's still early, and one of the garden lights, you know, those solar powered LED lights in the garden there. Well, this little piece which holds it to the stake or the spike, that broke off. So you know, for what it's worth and everything, I just wanted to do something quick, down and dirty, get it fixed. So got a piece of aluminum 1-inch aluminum box tubing, and I'm going to cut a piece out, and that'll fit over here and just pop rivet it on. So like I say, not much of a project, but something quick, and gives me an excuse to hide in the basement for an hour. Alright, so I've got a piece of that 1-inch aluminum square tubing, and just gonna cut a piece off 1 inch long. So now I'll cut one of these sides off, and I'll just make a cap that'll fit over this stake here, and then just put a couple of pop rivets after I drill a hole in there, and that'll hold the reflector and everything all together. Alright, so just hit this with a center punch, and drill a quick little hole in here. Borrow off of that. Clean that up. Okay. Alright, so just put all of this back together now, and get this guy started here. Snugged up a little bit, and trying to get this thing centered. Alright. Okay. Okay, drill a couple of holes in there. Those are 1/8-inch holes for an 1/8-inch pop rivet. Let's clean that up. Get that burr off the back of the hole there. I want to get this to sit down as tight as we can here, so I'm trying to figure out a good way to do that. So I'm just gonna push down on that while I the one hole drilled and eighth-inch pop rivet. Got that side in. And hit the other side. Alright, well, that's it. So it sticks out a little bit wider here, and I was going to trim that down, but I wanted this to be wider to support the bottom of the plastic base there. So maybe I'll file that down and clean that up, make it look a little bit nicer. Alright, so yeah, I'm just going to hit this with a file those edges off and make that flush. So okay, so there it is, it's done. I had some like bronze hammer tone paint. Obviously it's far from a match, but I guess it's better than that bright aluminum. So alright, keep the honey happy. Gave me an excuse to play in the workshop for an hour, and alright, see you guys again soon.